We are in God's own country, Kerala, and we are having a fantastic holiday. This video is all about what this holiday was with a 3-year-old, a 9-month-old, a nearly 70-year-old, a 66-year-old, and me.
Welcome to Kanika's Corner. I'm a counselor and a mother of 2 children. This channel is all about my experiences and my learnings.
Show the broken zip.
This is what happens when you use 20-year-old stuff.
Last time. Here to take us to the aircraft. Gauri is excited because she's had so many different trips to here to reach the airport and the aircraft, and we're getting ready to board. We've reached Cochin and we are at the beautiful Craigmore area of the city. The Periyar River is right here, and you can see little Miss Duck with her little ducky towel wandering around while my father and Tapas have gone off there to the hammock. Really serene location and much needed after the 2 hours of tantrums that little Miss Ducky had. This is the calm after the stop. For 2 hours, Gauri had trouble while we were coming in from Bangalore to Cochin. Something or the other was not right. She was just being her usual toddler self. So while the holiday has started off with a bang, thankfully, Papa, we are making a ducky out of a towel. The serene surroundings of the river Periyar have calmed everyone down, and we're all in a much better mood. We're all in a holiday mood now. Every part of the routine that changes is considered a holiday. Usually as soon as the children wake up, we wash their diapers. Today it's tea first in these beautiful surroundings and then diaper wash.
And this is the tree with lots of butterflies in it. And the birds have started coming. It's 6:45 in the morning and all of us are awake. Lovely place.
Very nice. Gauri is singing this song right next to this tree that is full of butterflies. We are at the beach here. And Tapas, this is his first visit to a beach. Because it's high tide, we're not placing him down. Oh, he is going down. Okay. Okay, this is Tapas' first time feeling beach water. He's obviously enjoying it. Gauri is having a completely different reaction. She doesn't want to get near the water. Beach definitely did not go as planned. And what we found here was a narrow stretch of black sand with high tide, and so wasn't a great experience for either child. And Gauri didn't want to put her leg into the sand because it was black. It wasn't the regular color that we're used to. And Tapas found the high waves a little bit scary. So quite an interesting experience of going to the beach and having it go opposite to what we thought it would be. Gauri is learning how to play carom her style, and one of the things that has been really excellent about this holiday is one-on-one time. She's realized that I don't have household work to do, I don't have things to, people to run behind, other things to take care of. She's making hay while the sun shines. When you're in Kerala, when a little light running around can make you sweat so much. Are the cows in Cochin different from the ones we see in Bangalore? We've come to find out. Star attraction for Gauri and Tapas here, just opposite Kranganur, is that there are two baby cows with a mother cow, and we hear them every few hours, so we came to find out. And no, there is no difference between the cows here and the cows back home. Both the children are asleep and no household tasks to complete. So you would think that, I'd like to have an afternoon snooze. But I think the lure of, just being out here with all of this nature, just watching the river Periyar go by, wind in my hair, watching the leaves rustle, so relaxing. It's incredible, Motherhood has been stressful. It is expected to be stressful. And when you have moments like this, which is just a few moments by yourself, it's enough to rejuvenate me and keep me going for the rest of the days, and, feel like, hey, I can tackle anything that comes my way. Holidays also involve tantrums, don't they? And while we would like it to be all fun and games, the reality of having a child who's just a few days away from being 3 is that crises are all a part of a day. And I don't know whether we're at the middle of one or at the end of one, but it's been 1 hour of solid crying. Well, it's monsoon time here in Kerala. Really beautiful rains because we are under this covered area with lots of space for the children to run around and play. We chose Kerala was that we have our nephew's wedding happening here today in Guruvayur. So while the wedding is going on at the Guruvayur temple, we are all here in the adjacent hall coloring and playing. The whole aim is that the children are happy and satisfied and been engaged enough so that they are not cranky. We are at the elephant sanctuary here in Guruvayur, and this is Gauri's first time looking at an elephant up close. All she has seen so far are all the elephants in books. Totally fascinated by this. It is also Tapas's first time seeing an elephant. Don't know what he understood of it, but he woke up just in time to see the elephants.
Unique experience. Fabulous things we have in India. And to have a park with 38 full-grown elephants being so well taken care of. a treat.
Gauri, come quickly.
Hold, take the camera.
It's here. It's recording. Gauri, come. Yay! Thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir. Tapas is loving the feel of grass and sitting on it. And of course, he's trying to make his own music with a glass and spoon. Plucking the grass and trying to put it in his mouth is a huge attraction. 6 a.m. and Gauri has just gotten up, which is quite a change from what she was doing the previous few weeks. The magic of Cranganore and I think the fresh river air has made that she's sleeping through the night, and so are we. We're back in Namma Bengaluru and it's good to be back. Flight was delayed by over an hour. So we did lots of circus to keep them all going until we reach here. Now it's just an hour's ride back home. Me at Cranganore here, the sun is setting just on that side, and I've got to say it's actually been like a holiday. I am feeling relaxed at the end of the 5 days. The children have had fun, totally enjoyed the beautiful scenery of Kerala. Nobody is cranky at the end of the holiday. Everyone has enjoyed themselves. What more can I ask for? See you all next week. Thank you. Bye bye.